Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Speech on Allama Muhammad Iqbal. Good morning everyone. Today I am going to talk about Allama Muhammad Iqbal. He was a great poet, philosopher and thinker of the East. Allama Iqbal was born on November 9, 1877 in Sialkot, Pakistan. He inspired Muslims of the subcontinent through his poetry and ideas. His famous poetry is full of hope, courage and self-respect. Iqbal gave the idea of a separate homeland for Muslims which became Pakistan. Because of his great service, he is known as Mufakkir-e-Pakistan and Shair-e-Mashriq. We should follow his teachings and make Pakistan strong and successful. Thank you.